breathe in and breathe out from here, all the way out. Okay.
How are you?
One more and out.
Are you okay? Yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna adjust you right here as well, okay? Relax your shoulders and your elbows. That's good. Ooh, you alright?
Yeah, that felt so good.
Ooh.
It felt so good. Wow.
That was good. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's good. Big breath. So that. Exactly. Breathe in and breathe out, all the way out. Okay.
Oh.
One more and out. Breathe out, all the way out. Wasn't too bad, huh?
No,
Yeah.
not at all.
Lift up your head. Good. Relax. No headaches, huh?
Not recently.
Oh, you do get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax.
Ugh.
Relax your neck.
That felt amazing.
Wow, that's good.
Especially on this side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Relax your legs, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing here.
Ugh.
How's that feel?
So relaxed.
Oh.
I feel so like, especially here on this
Yeah.
side.
Wow. It's been
Yeah.
2 years
Yeah.
since your last adjustment.
Uh-huh.
God, you needed it in your neck.
Yeah.
And your lower back.
Yeah.
So good.
I
How's
could
that
feel
in your
it.
lower back?
Yeah. Yep.
Good.
Feels much better.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Yes.
Good.
I don't have any pressure here anymore.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you're always on your feet.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So we need to decompress everything. So.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Well, I'm glad.
All right.
Yes. Say bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome.